Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to save translated phrases. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to save your translated phrases, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Google Translate. Once you're in your Google Translate, you need to now click on the star icon. So once you tap on your star icon, you can simply find your saved phrases here. If you have saved anything or made anything favorite, then you can simply get this on your Google Translate. These saved phrases are stored in the Save or Phrasebook section, which can be accessed while signing in into your account, allowing for offline viewing and exporting to Google Sheets as well. So this way you can simply save translated phrases and see it like you can use these for your documents. You can translate and then save as PDF and do anything. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.